Here's something revolutionary: complete dinnerware that's practically indestructible. Made from innovative wheat straw material, this modern set includes everything for 8: dinner plates, dessert plates, bowls, cups. What makes this perfect? It's unbreakable. Drop it, bounces back. No replacing broken dishes or worrying about accidents. Lightweight yet tough for daily use, camping, outdoor parties, everything. Modern, clean design looks fantastic anywhere. Game changer for busy households. Everything's dishwasher and microwave safe. No hand washing, no heat damage. Just dishwasher them. Wheat straw is eco-friendly and BPA-free. Smart for health and environment. The material is stronger than traditional ceramics while being much lighter to handle. Perfect for families with kids, students, camping enthusiasts, or thoughtful gifts for anyone appreciating practical essentials. Choose 16 or 32 pieces for incredible value and lasting quality. Ready to upgrade your dinnerware? Check description and comments for the link.